Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr.M.MOORTHI, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So this is the lecture series of lean manufacturing, and then today we will see about the topic called TQM principle, Total Quality Management Principles. And then here we will see the concepts, tools, and then quality management. So these are the factors. And then what is total quality management? And it starts with a TQM is an approach to improving the effectiveness and the flexibility of business as a whole, and it is essentially a way of organizing and involving the whole organization, every department, every activity, and every single persons at every level. And then this TQM ensures that the management adopts a strategic overview of the quality and focus on prevention rather than the inspection. So here the total quality management is clearly told that we have to maintain the quality process in the entire entire organization or the industry. So there is so we have to follow the certain the process or standardized process, so that we have the quality, we will get the quality outcome of the product in the way of quality outcome. And then here the objective of the TQM is meeting the customers requirements is the primary objective on the key organizational survival and growth. So here this key TQM is the one of the tool of lean manufacturing. That lean manufacturing is describes the elimination of waste, and we have to produce the product based on the customer requirement, and then the customer satisfaction is very important. So here by giving the or by producing the product and manufacturing the process or product, so it should meeting the customer requirement, and their satisfaction is very important for the survival of this organization and the growth of the organization. And the second objective of the TQM is to there is a continuous improvement the quality of the product. Yes, in the first time while producing the product, yes, there is a need of improvement in the processor or in the process or material. So after that we have the gradual improvement in, or the continuity in the improvement in the quality wise. So the management should stimulate the employees in becoming increasingly competent and creative, so that the management or the organization can compete with the compete with the other industry or organization, and this organization should be in the creative level. And the next is that TQM aim to developing a relationship of openness and trust among the employees at all level in the organization, so that while the employees are good in the entire process. I know the entire the set of process involved in the organization. The process means so that the organization get benefited at the same way. The trust among the employee will be increasing. And what are the significance of the the TQM process? And the importance of TQM lies in the fact that it encourages innovations, making the organization adaptable to changes and motivate people. So here these while following this total quality management in the organization, so it while after following this input tool, so there is an internal the fact internal motivation for among the each one to have the innovation, and to make the employee to adapt to the changes that to in the market, and then to motivate people for better quality, and integrate the business arising out the common purpose, and all these factors that provide the organizational employee to have the valuable and distinctive competitive edge over the other organization industry in the market. And the what are the key elements of TQM is be the customer is the main objective or main factors in the any organization. It requires the company to check the customers attitude regularly, and what is their requirements or what is their expectation from the industry, and do it right the first time. So while after finding the expectation or the demand from the customer, and we have to meet out the requirement, and as so we have to give their expectation required product as soon as possible without any major defects. So this means avoiding rework, cutting the amount of defective work. So we have to do so we have to cautious on the defect free product that to be supplied to the customer. So the and then the constantly improvement. Yes, this constant improvement, that is the continuous improvement in the entire process and the product is very much important in the TQM stage. And then the quality is an added. So we have to supply the quality based component or product to the customer, and then telling the staff what is going on. So we have clear communication, that is the top to bottom approach, and then bottom to top approach that we have to follow, and then educate and train the people. So we have to give the continuous training to the customer, to the employee, and what is going in the market on the instantly, and reasons for failure. So we have to find out the what are the reasons is there for the failures, and how these TQM are going to overcome these failures, because of we have and by following and where what are the major reasons how these TQM going to fail. Because of these reasons, there is no proper channel between top and top management people and then employee, and there is no proper training to the there is no proper training given to the employee for the changes in the market. And then there is no proper channel process to be followed, and the defective product that is supplied to the customer. So these are the factors that are directly affecting the TQM, the tools for the effective implementation in the organization.